Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrolux Compact condensing dryer and on the display it's giving you an Ex45 error and you're wondering what this is and what do you need to do to get it fixed. So first of all, what is the error? The Ex45 error is basically an error that the dryer puts up when it's supposed to be closed but it's not closed. So the door's, or another way to say it is the door's open when it's not supposed to be open. So there's a couple things that you should do to try to fix this. First things first is, this sounds dumb to say it, but make sure your door is closed. Now, because you can think it's closed, and maybe there's like a piece of clothing or something like that that's preventing it from closing properly. The next thing would be to come in and just check all of the elements of the door and make sure everything is working properly so that, maybe it's physically closed, but the little hinge mechanism or latching mechanism isn't fully depressed. Make sure that everything is mechanically moving freely. Once you've cleared that up, that might fix the problem. If not, you want to remove the door assembly, door latch assembly, and check the wiring behind it. Make sure nothing is disconnected or frayed or crossed or loose or anything like that. And you may want to just replace the door assembly, the door latch assembly. If that still doesn't fix it, then we're getting into it could be the control board where it is actually throwing up this fault and there's not actually a problem with the latch. In which case you might need to replace your control board, and I'll put a tutorial in the description to how to do that.